What if I told you... Okay, no, we're not doing that line. Let's try again. You wake up, you get dressed, you check your phone, everything feels normal, real. But what if it's not? In 1999, The Matrix hit theaters and cracked open a question older than philosophy itself. How do you know what's real? Not just is it a dream, deeper than that. What if your entire world is an illusion, constructed by something or someone else? That question wasn't born in Hollywood. It's a thought experiment with ancient roots. Over 2,000 years ago, Plato described a group of people trapped in a cave, watching shadows on a wall. To them, those shadows were reality. They had no idea there was an entire world outside. That's what the Matrix tapped into, this gut punch idea that your senses might be lying to you. And here's where it gets weird. Modern science doesn't rule that out. In 2003, Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom laid out what's now called the simulation hypothesis. It goes like this. One of three things must be true. Human civilization will never reach a level where we can simulate conscious beings. If we can, we'll decide not to. Or we are living in a simulation. Why? Because if any advanced civilization creates countless simulated realities and those simulated beings think they're real, then statistically, you're probably one of them. Not in a metaphorical sense, literally. Let's say we are in a simulation. Could we prove it? Physicist Zored Dalvoudi and her team once proposed looking for the pixelation of space, like how a digital photo breaks into squares when you zoom in. If the universe is simulated, maybe it runs on a kind of cosmic grid. The thing is, we've never found that grid. Quantum physics does show randomness at small scales, but is that noise or code? Others have suggested glitches, déjà vu, coincidences, unexplained phenomena. But anecdotes aren't data. If the simulation is perfect, we might never know. But some scientists argue we might detect limits, a maximum speed, the speed of light, a smallest possible length, the Planck length, built-in boundaries, like a game engine. Are those hardwired into the universe or programmed? Here's where it gets spooky. Our universe is shockingly mathematical. From the spiral of a galaxy to the structure of atoms, everything obeys precise rules. It's like reality runs on code, elegant, unforgiving code. Physicist Max Tegmark argues that the universe is mathematics, not just described by it, that everything from quarks to consciousness is just patterns of information. Think about it. Your brain is neurons firing in patterns. Your thoughts are data. Your memories, electrical pulses. What if consciousness is just software, running on hardware we'll never see? Consciousness, the thing you're using right now to hear this, is the biggest mystery we've got. We don't know how it works. We don't even know where it lives. Some theories say consciousness emerges from complexity. Others say it's fundamental, like space or time. And then there's integrated information theory, which suggests anything complex enough, even a simulated brain, could be conscious. That means, even if we are in a simulation, we're not fake. We're real within it. Just like characters in a novel feel real to each other. If we are in a simulation, who built it? An alien species? Our future descendants? A being beyond comprehension? Maybe it's for research, a way to study evolution, sociology, ethics without consequences. Maybe it's entertainment, a giant game, or maybe it's a test. Some argue the simulation is designed to observe how intelligent beings behave when they don't know they're being watched. If that's true, what kind of choices are we making? So what if reality is simulated? That doesn't make it meaningless. In fact, it makes it more precious, limited, intentional. If this is a simulation, it's the only one you know. Your pain is real. Your love is real. Your choices matter. You still build, hurt, forgive, grow. Even inside a program, you can be free because you're still making the decisions. We don't know if we're in a simulation. We may never know. But the question keeps echoing through science, philosophy, and art, not because it's paranoid, but because it shakes us awake. It makes us stop, look around, and ask, what is this? And maybe that's the point. Maybe the real value of the question isn't in the answer. It's in the wondering. Because the moment you start questioning reality, you're finally awake inside it. What do you think? Is this a simulation or something deeper?